It's a wall!
It's a wall! No wallpaper, baby! Yes, hello, hello, hello. Today we're going to be continuing on the house. As you saw last video or last segment, we power washed half the backyard. We're going to finish all that up. We're going to clean up the walls and kind of get everything ready so we can start working back here and setting up all of our tools. Additionally, we're going to have to figure out how to get all the trash out of the garage. We're probably going to hire a company to help us do that. You know, we're excited for you guys to see what we do today and how we continue on this project. So I know I said in the last video that I was gonna go with some green dot around for the drywall and all that good stuff, but some of the holes were just way too big. So I ended up using some 20-minute drywall mix. Mixed it up, you know what I mean? And covered these holes, and then I've already put a skim coat on with green dot. Exciting news, people. Exciting news. Bryce here has decided that we are going to get rid of this god-awful beadboard, and we are actually going to take the time to skim it and just do a nice drywall finish, just so it's I mean, like, who wants this? Who wants this in their kitchen? And it's all the way around. How to take beadboard off 101.
It's a wall!
It's a wall! No wallpaper, baby! Heck yeah. Okay, ran into a little bit of a problem. Just wanna pretty much update you guys. As you can see over here, so they put the beadboard behind the cabinetry. So now what we're going to have to do in order to be able to take off this whole piece and everything, we're gonna have to cut a line. We're pretty much just gonna have to trace the cabinet all the way up top, down here, and over here to be able to get it fully out, which is gonna be, it's gonna be a little annoying.
Psych!
Everything's been ripped out, and we're basically gonna re-skim all the walls. We're gonna have to use some oils-based primer that will allow us to skim some drywall over it, and once we're done, we're gonna have some perfectly smooth walls.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're here and we're starting stuff, right?
What's up, guys? It's the day before Thanksgiving.
Yeah. This is a good time. We're happy to be back. Let's see. What do I want to say? Just want to show you guys a little bit of a process, or what process you have to do when taking off wallpaper. Take a nice little razor blade and score some lines through the whole wallpaper. That will allow that spray that I'm putting on to penetrate the wallpaper a bit better. You know what I mean? Scrapity-doo-dah, scrapity-yay.
What's up, guys? So today I'm working on the outside while Sam's scraping all the wallpaper off, and I'm basically prepping the building for paint. Let me redo it. God damn it.
Damn, boy!
So while Sam's inside working on the kitchen, I'm gonna begin prepping the outside exterior walls for paint. First thing I'm gonna do is caulk all of the small gaps and cracks. This is going to allow a smoother finish, as well as protect the stucco itself from any water damage in the future. What I'm using is just an acrylic latex caulk. It's probably the best. It's expandable and they do recommend it for this purpose. They also have other caulks that are made for stucco cracks, which also work very well. I actually have a question for you guys. If anyone has seen this caulking gun before, I think it's one of the greatest ones that they have out there. They used to sell it at Osh, but ever since Osh closed, I really can't find it anywhere anymore. So if any of you guys know where I can get more of these, I would love for you guys to leave a comment below and let me know, and I will shout you out on the next video for helping me out, helping me grow my business and be more efficient. So after the caulking is done, or kind of while I'm doing the caulking, I'm also gonna get what's called a 5-in-1 tool. This is a great tool that all painters use, but what I'm gonna be using it for is to scrape off any loose paint. You never really want to paint over loose paint. Let's begin. I can't really film this because I got my gloves on. Always wear gloves when you're caulking. It helps a lot. Keeps your clothes clean as well as your hands clean and away from any of the chemicals. Should also use a small bucket of water that you carry around with you. That will help you get the caulk smoother.
What did you say?
So you don't have a bunch of bumps later on after you paint. So it's nearing the end of the day and I just want to show you what I did today. Sam's are working on the inside getting all the wallpaper off so we can get ready to skim the kitchen and we have nice flat walls instead of that old ugly beadboard. What I did today was I actually went along all of the walls and I used acrylic latex caulk and I went over all of the hairline fractures as well as resealing all of the windows, all of the doors, and basically getting the exterior ready for some paint. I also cleaned up the backyard. We moved a lot of the trash into the garage. And currently I am chipping away at this wall. We're checking the structural integrity of it. And we're probably going to try to re-skim it today. Or not today, but on this job. So it gives it a nice and smooth look.
What's up, guys? Sorry if the lighting's a little bit weird. I'm using my phone camera right now because I need a little bit better lighting. Woo! That was a lot of scraping today. A lot of scraping. All this wallpaper's off now, finally, so that's real nice. We got all the wallpaper off. I scraped off anything else that was really annoying or something that would make the skim coat not as smooth. But we did it. We finished. We have finished. Sorry. We finished. Yeah. And so on Friday, we're going to be doing the skim coat, so that's going to be real fun. Hopefully afterwards, all these walls will look fabulous. See you guys on the next one on No BS Renovations.
All right, guys, have a good one.
If you stuck around this long, thank you so much. Bryce and I appreciate you guys. Also, if you liked the video, please smash that like button because it does help us out as we are a growing channel. Comment down below for any of our future videos or any ideas that you guys want to see. And last but not least, subscribe and hit that bell notification for when we upload. Peace out, guys.